Hello friends, welcome to another product review. I'm checking out this 360 degree phone holder. So this has a vacuum suction mount that's super cool. Features one hand use here. So basically you just place this wherever on a smooth surface and turn it, and then that's going to lock it in place, and to undo it you just flip it the other direction. This also comes with a little magnetic ring. Stick it on the back of your phone if you don't already have a MagSafe product on there, and that's going to attach your phone to that. Comes with a little cleaning stuff, but anyways, so this rotates. Like if you ever stick your phone on there, that's going to rotate all the way around, whether you want it this way or that way, and it's going to hold it super securely. This thing is just so easy to put on. Stick it, turn it, forget it, and it's going to, I'll probably pull my window out before that thing lets go. Just stick your phone on there. You want it this way, you want it that way, tilt it sideways, around, whichever way. It's going to hold it on there, whether you're bouncing over rocks or whatever. Super secure with that magnet on there like that. So, and then when you want to take it off, twist, pop, and you're good to go. So once again, any smooth surface, put it on, twist, and let it go. Take it off, twist it counterclockwise, pull a little tab there, one hand use. It's super convenient, nice and sturdy. It's small enough too, so whether you're putting it on the dash of your car or on a window, on a piece of furniture or whatever, just to hold your phone, it's really nice and sturdy. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.